Hello, and welcome to this course about e-commerce dropshipping. In this course, we're going to cover how to create a Shopify store for your business. This course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 looks at setting up your Shopify account. Module 2 covers designing and customizing your store. And Module 3 covers stocking your store with products. By the time this course is over, you'll know how to effectively plan out and create an awesome e-commerce store for your business. So without further ado, let's move on to the first module.